Shift-D to duplicate, and Y to move on the Y-axis. Let's go to Object Constraint Properties, and add Track to. Select the first cube as the target. Select the second cube, and G to move around. This is how we set up the track to in Blender. This feature is used to constrain a secondary object such as spotlight or camera to smoothly focus on the target object. I'll show you an example with a spotlight. Let's add a ground plane. G and Z to move the camera upward. Please watch a tutorial listed in the description to match my final render settings, as I'm using a cloned look dev HDRI setting. I'll decrease the HDRI strength, and increase the spotlight strength. This is how we constrain a spotlight on a target object. This is the end of the tutorial. In the following tutorial, I'll show you how to move a camera along the curve while tracking a target object. Thank you for watching.